Good morning, everyone. This is Wilhelmina again. The time here is 7:33 in the evening. Today is Friday, November 21st, 2025. 49 days more to go. It's Christmas, and we are about to end 2025. I think you know Wilhelmina well. I know everyone has been watching my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. I would like to thank for everyone for visiting my platform. I have a 4,300 subscriber on my YouTube channel, and I have 3,500 subscriber on my Facebook. I think people are misunderstood. We are now on the global communication. Everybody buy through internet. Everybody buy through Facebook advertisement. I will show you on how this digital information impact on your business. I know everyone is searching for supply like gold and diamond. Now, Wilhelmina is based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I am the gatekeeper of the company in Africa. I am a gatekeeper, the seller in Mali, the third largest gold producer in West Africa. I've been to Mali. Mali is a very progressive country. And I've been to Conakry, Guinea. Conakry, Guinea produce gold and bauxite and diamond and so forth. I've been to Sierra Leone. They produce as well gold and diamond. Now, why Wilhelmina is on the digital information? That's a very good question. Wilhelmina is the one who promotes Africa. We are now on digital information. You must remember, buying and selling, you can search on the internet. You can search on YouTube channel. You can search on LinkedIn. You can search on WhatsApp and on Facebook. LinkedIn is to connect people. But LinkedIn, some of the members are not really serious. They are just abusing the site. I'm a member of LinkedIn. I get out on LinkedIn because I noticed that most of the members are a time waster. LinkedIn is the best site, but I refrain dealing with the chain of joker broker on LinkedIn. I prefer to deal with the buyer that understand what he is looking for. On LinkedIn, there's a lot of chain of middlemen. It's too messy. That is why I get out. LinkedIn is to connect people. I admire LinkedIn is the best site, but it's not really good for chain of joker broker. They registered it, they're a member. I'm also a member on LinkedIn, but I prefer to deal directly to the main buyer. That's the reason why I created my platform. You can search on YouTube. Nowadays, YouTube is the best of all the best. You can search on YouTube gold and diamond. My video pop up into your screen. When my video pop up into your screen, you need to pay attention because this is for your own benefit. And if you are not really satisfied, subscribe more on Facebook. You will see everything. Now, I would like to request from you guys, take time to read. Take time to listen to this video. Subscribe and click below and give me a like if you understand. If you don't understand, that is fine. You can still read the full corporate offer in front of you. Now, let's talk about gold and diamond. Excuse me. I have to drink coffee first. Gold is making big move. Anyone don't pay attention would be left behind on 2025 and 2026. China is keeping massive gold reserve to keep into their monetary system. Chinese are everywhere in Africa. Chinese own the hotel in Africa. Ghana, Mali, Conakry, Sierra Leone. The hotel that I stayed when I was in Conakry owned by Chinese. Fully booked. All Chinese, they don't speak English. Why they're there? There is business. They're buying bauxite. They're buying gold. They're buying diamond as well. You as the gold trader, small timer, you buy small quantity. This is for your own benefit because Wilhelmina is explaining thoroughly in order for you to understand. Now, the pricing of gold is very significant. Dollar versus gold. Dollar is paper money versus solid money. Gold is a solid. Piece of paper is a dollar. You have the dollar and we have the gold. Now, why Cambodian are also building their gold reserve and then they bring it to China in order to keep it? Used to be all the gold keep it in Central Bank of London and in United States. Nowadays, China is building massive gold reserve in Cambodia. I read on the article Cambodia are buying more gold in order to compete with China. Can you imagine Australian mining company, China, Italian, German, US and Canada and UAE are everywhere in Africa. And you are the small gold trader, small quantity, still you are still in doubt. You're going to be doubt because you don't have the money. You're asking CIF cost, insurance, and freight only. It wouldn't work. Gold is cash. I don't know if you remember on my previous video. He who has the gold makes the rules. The country makes the rules. The owner of the gold is following the golden rules of the country. You cannot take the gold out of the country without full payment. You cannot take the gold out of the country asking CIF cost, insurance, and freight. To me, you are just a smuggler. You try to smuggle, you try to evade paying taxes. That is normal. Gold is taxable. Now, you have to buy the gold plus government sales tax. You cannot take the gold out of the country to smuggle. At the end of the day, you are going to be arrested. So why is small gold trader thinking that they can get gold CIF and bring to their destination, especially in Dubai? Most of the gold buyer in Dubai, their eyes is bigger than a dollar. They think they can leverage it. They think that they can get gold CIF cost, insurance, and freight. I doubt. Gold is money. Money will not come to you. Money will not come to you as a CIF. Money is a piece of paper. Gold is a solid cash. So therefore, when you buy this solid cash, which is gold, gold has many uses. Gold can make into jewelry. Gold can make into 99.99. I mentioned that on my previous video all the time. Gold has many uses. Can make into full state. Can make into bicycle. Can make into $1. Can make into bracelet and so forth. So I will not continue explaining to you while you're watching my video. If you're a buyer, you need to have substantial capital. Without the capital, don't bother to be involved in gold business. You need to have at least 800,000, at least maximum. At least 8 to 900,000 or $1 million. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. We don't. There is a minimum. It's not worth it for you to travel to Africa buying 1 kilo. It's not worth it. Why? Because there is a cost. Airfare, hotel accommodation, 1 kilo. Don't bother. Keep your money. Mhm. I encourage you to keep your money and put that into the bank if you are a small gold trader. Don't be tempted, because at the end of the day, you are going to lose your money. At the end of the day, you are going to become disaster. Okay? Today, the physical gold is the world demand is surging. Supply is tight at the moment. Retail and investor may be the first time in years to need gold or sitting to be paying attention. Gold hold the value. You must remember. Today, buying gold in Africa, you think that you can get gold easy. No, it's not easy. It's not easy. If you travel to Africa today, and then you think that you can get gold and bring it to the refinery in Africa or bring it to the central bank, I doubt. Now let's talk about proper business. Mr. Buyer, the price of gold at the moment is skyrocket. Today is Friday. Wait, I'm gonna have a look on the world market. Okay, just bear with me. Now the price of gold today is on November 21st. Okay, it's a 4,019.87 per ounce. Last week, the gold and the dollar was down. And 2 days ago, the price of gold was 4,200 per ounce. Now, the gold is down 4,052.28. Today, November 21, 2025. Our selling price, LBMA. Now, you are not buying refined here. You must remember. You are buying unrefined, which is gold bar Doré, 22 carats. Purity is from 95, 96, 97. Our selling price today, $120,000 per kilo. Today. But you have not made a decision. So therefore, the price, it varies day to day. So I'm just giving you the information. It's vital for your business. So if you're a businessman, go on the world market, www.goldprice.org. Then you will understand the movement of gold. So if you're a gold trader, you should do the research as well. Wilhelmina is giving you knowledge. Knowledge worth $1 million. No such broker explaining to you like this. None whatsoever. Now let's talk about buyers stranded in Africa today. Today there was a buyer. He knows me. And he was been running around and running around from broker to broker. So the broker came to me. Wilhelmina, I have a buyer. I said, okay. How long the buyer is searching for gold? Oh, Wilhelmina, this buyer found me on LinkedIn. Oh, really? So I was listening to this agent. I said, okay. And he has a difficulty on getting gold. I said to this agent, yeah, your buyer has a difficulty because your buyer, we're dealing different chain of joker broker. And everybody come to Wilhelmina. So when I interviewed this joker broker again, he's dealing with a chain of joker broker as well. So I told him, it wouldn't work. You're just wasting your time. We don't deal chain of joker broker no more. That is the reason why I promote Africa direct to the world, direct to the main buyer. Mr. Buyer, if you're watching Wilhelmina, you don't need to deal with chain of joker broker. We are now on the platform. We are now on the social media. You have a computer, you have Wi-Fi, you have WhatsApp, type gold and type diamond. My video pop up into your screen. There's no such joker broker can explain to you like this. Most of the joker broker, they hide their faces. They're scared to be exposed. They're scared to open their camera. Why? Maybe they're a smuggler. Maybe they are thieves, because thieves are scared to open their camera. The thieves are scared to open because they're gonna be exposed. Well, I'm exposed already. I'm here. Disaster. Another buyer that he said that he has a buyer. He knows me. And he said, well, Amina, I have a buyer that he knows you and he's scared of you. I said, why he gonna scared with me? I'm not a criminal. He's scared because he didn't meet the criteria. He's scared. And then he was dealing with another joker broker, and this joker broker come to Alamina last night. I explained it to him. And he said that his buyer from Dubai has $1 million. Well, if he has $1 million, how come he couldn't get the gold? And I told him, why not create a group chat? I want to interview your buyer. If he is from Dubai, he can download Bootin. We can have live video call conference. So this joker broker is scared to reveal the buyer. Why? Because he's scared to be circumvented on his commission. I told him, you don't need to worry because your buyer is paying you. Right? Disaster. And the buyer's agent said, oh, I know Wilhelmina. And I told this agent on the ground, he's not a buyer, he's an agent. Because if he knows me, why he bump into you? And why you come to me? Because I'm very strict and I'm very thorough. I have to interview you guys. I need to see your credential. I need to see your business registration. I want to see your importation license. I want to see your passport copy, and I want to see your proof of fund that you have standby $1 million in your bank account. So why are you scared for? We're not going to steal your money. So therefore, if you're scared, to me, you're not a buyer. Now let us recap. Last week, my seller in Conakry delivered 26 kilos in Dubai. The buyer paid USDT. Only this seller in Conakry will accept USDT. Now, why we accept that? Because my seller is real. Yeah? Before we're gonna accept USDT, you need to talk to Alamina because I'm going to interview you. So you have an option either to pay bank to bank or USDT. Before you reveal your USDT account, we need to have a contract. That is why I'm gathering your vital information for me to vouch you whether you are really a buyer or not. Because there's also a buyer pretending that he has a USDT because your USDT would be validated. We will scrutinize you and we will do the due diligence of your USDT. Yes, most of the criminal using USDT. But this buyer from Korea, he asked my head office to bring the gold to Dubai because he's going to refine to make into different uses. His USDT is very clean. He has plenty of money. He got the gold, 26 kilo. One kilo or 1 bar, 10 kilos in 1 bar. And then the other one was 16 kilos in 1 bar. See, we can give you 10 kilos in 1 bar or 20 kilos in 1 bar or 5 kilos in 1 bar. But you need to prove to us that you are a really serious buyer. Now in Mali, we have tons of gold. In Mali, there are 4 refineries. They in GM, Kankamusa, Russian refinery, and Marina. You wouldn't get the gold from that refinery because they're also buyer. They're buying and they're gonna refine it for their own client. And you, as a gold trader, you are also buying from us, the Dory Bar. And if you want to buy gold in Sierra Leone, yes, we have tons of gold. If you want to buy gold in Conakry, yes, we have. Okay, then you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the guarantee? Well, the guarantee, you have to convince me so that I could advise you. The guarantee is your payment. We don't bring the gold to the central bank unless you pay the gold. When you pay the gold, that is the time we will bring it to the central bank, because the central bank will ask who is the owner of the gold, and the central bank will ask the seller export license. The seller must have an export license number to prove to the central bank that the seller will export the gold to you. We don't bring gold to a stranger. Today there is a buyer from Switzerland in Conakry. He showed me his ticket that he arrived in Conakry yesterday. Now he's leaving Conakry empty-handed. I told the agent from Senegal, I told him, okay, let your buyer leave the country and then create a group chat. When he arrived in Switzerland, he can come back to Conakry and he can get 50 kilos. He arrived in Conakry, disaster. There are so many sellers offer you guys undervalued. Believe me. I'll give you a real situation. Last April, I went to Africa. And one guy from Nairobi, he knows me. He rang me that he has a friend is in trouble in Conakry. And I told him, I'm in Dubai right now. So I stayed in Dubai for 4 nights because I'm interviewing some buyers. And he said that his buyer has a shop in Gold Souk. I said, okay, I want to meet your partner in Gold Souk. So I went to Gold Souk, and this partner, his shop is under renovation. So I was talking to the partner, and the partners tell me the story. His partner flew to Conakry. He was told that he can get gold very cheap. Okay? And I don't know how it happened. When I interviewed him, I invited him for dinner. I stayed at Kalum Hotel a few months ago. What happened? Why you were being arrested? Madam, I carried 1 kilo. Oh. And then I paid taxes. Oh, really? So did you have an export documentation? And did you pay the gold? And he said, no, madam, I just pay taxes. That's the reason why. The owner of the gold called the police. Because why? The police knows that you have 1 kilo. So therefore, the owner of the gold, he called the police that you steal his gold. And on the way to the airport, he was being arrested. Because he doesn't have a license to carry. So I explained to him, you are silly. You're a silly bugger. Why did you carry the gold and put that into your luggage and no export documentation? You're going to be accused as a smuggler and you steal the property of Conakry, Guinea. And he said, you're right. Well, did you not realize that? So he hired the lawyer. He spent more money. So I told his partner, because I interviewed his partner in Dubai, and also another this partner there too. He's in Conakry. He come to my hotel. He was shaking. I said, relax, be my guest, order your dinner. And he started to open the problem. And I told these guys, who created the problem? You did. And I cannot help you because minimum order at least 20 kilos. He was begging me to have 1 kilo. I said, no, I cannot. Especially my seller would not deal with the buyer already on the ground. Disaster. Another guy went to Sierra Leone. Disaster. One buyer knows me. He went to Ghana. Another disaster. Guys, I know you've been visiting my platform on YouTube. I know. And you're scared of Wilhelmina. Why are you going to be scared for? I'm not going to hold up you. I'm not. So now, what happened? Disaster. Now, my dear buyer, international buyer, we are almost ending 2025. 49 days more to go. The price will rise up and rise up again. There is a prediction that the gold will turn to 4,900 per ounce. Use your calculator. Multiply that to 32.15 on 4,900. 4,900 multiply 12 at 32.15. This could be the price. I don't know if you can afford. So do you have money? This is 1 kilo. Our selling price LBMA. Okay, there are two kinds of gold. Refined and unrefined. Now you're not buying refined. Our selling price LBMA less 5%. If you convince Wilhelmina, I can renegotiate it to 8% tax included. Yeah? Where you gonna find a lady that explained to you in front of you? The tax is already on the price. Aside from that, still you get the profit. When you resell it, you make money. So vice versa. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, how can I get the gold? That's a very good question. Show me your credential first. I want you to have a video call with me. I'm going to interview you like when you apply for a job. Remember, you're applying to buy this precious mineral. This business is not for ordinary person that thinking that you are on LinkedIn, you are on Facebook, you make a commission, you wouldn't get the commission. We no longer dealing with chain of joker broker. Remember, Wilhelmina purchased product on Facebook advertisement. This is a Wi-Fi, roaming Wi-Fi. Where did I purchase this? It passed on my wall on my Facebook. I purchased 2 of these because I'm traveling soon and I'm going to give this to my loved one. Right? And I also purchased this. Yeah, this is brand new. Yeah? Advertise on Facebook. Everything now is on Facebook. I purchased shoes for my loved one. Passing by on my wall on Facebook, I purchased it. I paid in advance. I don't have any issue. And you are also purchasing gold and diamond through Wilhelmina on my YouTube channel, and go to my Facebook platform and I'll give you the link. View that. Don't rush. View, click below and read the full corporate offer. When you're ready, you come back. There is no pressure here. I'm not pressuring you. Now going back to recap. Recently, last week, my head office in Conakry delivered 26 kilos. Last June 26, 2025, my seller in Sierra Leone delivered gold in Dubai, 200 kilos. Okay? Now, this is the contract that the buyer did order. Okay? And this is the document that the gold delivered in Dubai. I'm not going to show you who is the buyer because you guys fan of collecting, pretending to be a buyer. We will not release any client of ours because of privacy. Okay? This is Sierra Leone, 200 kilos. Yeah? If you're scared, meaning to say you don't have the money. Yeah? If you're scared. Okay? And this one here, yeah? Buyer is buying gold in Conakry. Where are you going to find a broker that can give you a vital information. I'm not a broker. I am the extension of the seller. I am the gateway. You will not get gold from us if you are not paying attention. This is sold already. I just want to give you a recap. And you're going to say, Madam, I want to see your client. No, we will not give you our client. You will only give in a client when you come to the office. We will open the books. We will show it, but beforehand, we will not show our client. There was a buyer from India. He opened a business in Dubai. He wanted to know who is the name of the buyer. No, we don't give the buyer's name because the buyer would not be happy. I have a document, but I'm not going to show you. I wouldn't be giving. I would not give you. Yeah. This is already delivered. And you are the new customer. Now, my head office has an existing customer. My head office in Africa, Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. They've been in business for many, many years. And you are just a newcomer to buy gold in order to get the profit. You will get the profit when you have a capital. If you don't have a capital, you wouldn't get the profit. If you're asking Black Fund, is BLC, CIF, no upfront, to me you are not a buyer. To me you're crook. Why you gonna say no upfront? That is normal, you have to pay before the gold leave the country of origin. Whether you like it or not, you have to pay. Now, let's talk properly, Mr. Buyer, Mr. Gold Trader. You have an option. You already watch Wilhelmina, right? You click below and subscribe. The full corporate offer is in front of you. I don't know if you meet the criteria or not. Read it properly, paragraph by paragraph. It says on this video, do not travel without invitation. It says, and you need Wilhelmina to be with you on the ground. It says on this video, and Wilhelmina's services is no longer free when she travel with you to assist you on the ground. And her services is non-refundable. Whether you like it or not, whether success or not success, non-refundable. So to become successful, because you are paying Wilhelmina's services, I am charging you of $25,000 for me to be with you, to assist you. And instead of 5%, I am renegotiating the price for you. So at the end of the day, you are a winner. What is $20,000? Listen guys, I went to my lawyer. I was being bullied by this stupid buyer. I talked to my own lawyer. I know my lawyer for many years. I have to pay his consultation fee, whether I like it or not. And you are also paying consultation fee when I travel with you. You're lucky that you are getting free information. Knowledge is worth $1 million, and you learn from University of Hard Knocks from Wilhelmina. Those buyers or joker broker, he knows me, they come back to Wilhelmina. Still, they cannot get the gold. And they said, oh, Wilhelmina, we went to Zimbabwe. Gold is very expensive. Correct. Zimbabwe, you wouldn't get the gold in Zimbabwe. 3%. In Ghana, I was talking to a friend of mine that I have a dinner with him in Dubai. He went to Ghana, right? And he said, Madam, you're right. Ghana is getting strict. And we have to pay the gold to PMMC 3%. Wow. 3%, huh? Cash. PMMC is mandated by the government. You cannot get gold no more in Ghana unless you pay the gold in full. 3%, LBME 3%. We are giving you 5 to 8%. Which one you like? 3% or 5%? The reason why I'm going to renegotiate the price for you, because you're paying me. My services. My services is not for free. I'm gonna be with you. If you're buying gold in Conakry, use Sky Cargo. You have to do the research. I am not a policewoman here. I only explain to you what necessary requirement you are going to comply. It says on this video. You wouldn't get any information from Joker Broker. You wouldn't. Wilhelmina is not a broker. I am the gatekeeper. I am going to negotiate the price for you. Beforehand, before you get the good deal, show me your credential, because I'm going to vouch you to my head office. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you to Africa. Mali have tons of gold, but Mali is getting strict. I've been to Mali. If you're not very careful going to Mali, you're going to encounter disaster. Now, there was a guy from Paris, I think 7 months ago. He signed a contract with us in Conakry. And then he signed a contract in Mali. We issued the landing visa in Conakry, and he has a landing visa as well in Mali. So he said to me, Madam, I'm going to fly to Mali. And I told him, oh, you have the visa. We issued the landing visa for you. And what happened? Oh, Madam, when I finish in Mali, I will come back to Conakry, okay? And this guy, he owned a small commercial business in Paris. So he was given a very cheap. This is real, huh? He was given cheap price CIF. CIF cost insurance and freight. So he traveled from Mali, he stopped over in Ghana. 7 months ago, Mali was a member of ECOWAS. Okay? So when you check in your luggage to the X-ray machine, the custom in Ghana airport saw something inside of their luggage. So they opened the luggage. There was gold. 35 kilos. So the custom was saying, where is the paperwork? Bingo. He was being asked, where is a certificate of ECOWAS? Because during the time, Mali is a member of ECOWAS. Once you are West Africa, you're a member of ECOWAS. So then they encounter huge issue. So this buyer called me, Madam, do you know someone in Ghana? Even though I know, I wouldn't introduce. Why? That buyer, he betrayed us and he betrayed himself. Now he's asking me for help. I'm not here to help you. You create your own mess. He lost money. Another buyer went to Burkina Faso. Disaster. Another buyer went to Sierra Leone. Disaster. My dear guys, my dear buyer, I am not an agency. I'm not a policewoman. I only handle seller that have gold, and I only handle you when you meet the criteria. But you are also crooked. Yeah, you know Wilhelmina. You go behind my back, and then when you have a problem, bingo, you come back to Wilhelmina. Just like this guy, the agent. So Wilhelmina, I have a buyer, and he wanted gold 25 kilos. I said, okay, where's the gold? Where's the buyer coming from? Oh, from Dubai, and I meet this buyer on LinkedIn. And I said, oh, right. So I said to this another agent, if he is looking for gold for many months, to me, he is not a buyer. He's another joker broker. So the agent that was talking to me last night, I'm not going to mention his name because he knows me. And I don't want him to be embarrassed. He said, well, Amina, this buyer, he knows you and he's scared of you. Why he's going to be scared with me? What for? I'm not going to harm him. So at the end of my conversation, is another joker broker. Right. And I told him, well, he knows me. Why he come to you? And he knows me. He been watching my YouTube channel. And then he was talking to you because you're a member of LinkedIn. And then why you come to me? Disaster. That's the reason why I have to interview you guys thoroughly. Because I can notice it whether you're a buyer or not. The real buyer would not talk bullshit. Excuse my language. Joker broker fan of bullshitting because they're scared. They think they're gonna lose commission. Well, you know your buyer. You don't need to ask our commission from us because we don't pay double commission no more. Instead, we give the buyer a very good deal in order for the buyer to get the profit, not the joker broker. I call you joker broker. Why? You've been running around from LinkedIn to WhatsApp to Facebook to YouTube channel, and you know, well, Amina, you're scared because you are going to be rejected if you are not very careful answering question. And if you don't open your camera during our interview, to me, you are not a buyer. You are scared to open your camera because you don't want to be exposed. So therefore, you are just either you're a crook or either you're a criminal. Yes, I'm not scared. I am live. This is my virtual office. I'm based in Brisbane, Australia. There is no gold here. Gold is in Mali. Gold is in Conakry. Gold is in Sierra Leone. And gold are everywhere in West Africa. I will only gather your vital information. I repeat, you watch this video, you read this full corporate offer and click below and subscribe and give me a like if you like. If you don't like it, at least you watch this video from the beginning to the end and read the full corporate offer. Then when you're ready, you come back. Because I'm not forcing you to purchase. I am here to educate you. I have a very extensive knowledge on handling buyers. I can use business psychology. I know how to psychologize you. I know. The conversation alone, I can sense that you are just a time waster. If you're gonna show me your credential to me, then you're a buyer. It signifies that you are serious. Most of you are not serious. Most of you are joker broker, asking commission. We don't pay double commission no more. Instead, we give the buyer a really good price. You know how much we deliver gold in Dubai? This 5%. Yeah, LBME lies 5%. Less 5%, huh? You talk to Wilhelmina, I can renegotiate the price for 8%. Because I'm charging you my extra service of $20,000 non-refundable. The $20,000, it covers my trip, ticket from Australia to Africa, hotel accommodation, expending money. Now, you have two options. You don't need to pay $20,000 if you don't like it. I will gather your information. We're going to prepare the contract. I will vouch you to the head office. You will receive the credential of the seller after I receive your credential. 5%. And if you are on the ground and then there's an issue, don't call Wilhelmina because I'm too far. But if I'm going to be with you, you will not be scared. And don't go behind my back. Because there was a buyer that he go behind my back. Disaster. You don't need to betray yourself, and you don't need to betray Wilhelmina. So you need to be honest. That's the reason why I'm asking you a lot of questions. That is why I'm asking your credential. And if you're scared to show me your credential, to me you're not a buyer. Again, when I was in Dubai, I was talking to a gentleman from Norway. And he called me that he's on the way to Dubai. I met him face to face. And that guy is a little bit arrogant. And he wanted to meet me in his hotel. I went there early with my driver. And he said, why too early? And I told him, well, you asked me to come to see you on the lobby. If you're not interested to meet me, I'm going back to my hotel. That buyer from Norway, he's arrogant. And he has a problem as well. He said he's a buyer. And when I have meeting with him, he confessed that he has a problem. 50 kilos didn't come to Dubai. I said, why didn't come to Dubai? Wilhelmina, because we pay taxes with CIF. That is the problem. The owner of the gold didn't ship it to you because you didn't pay the gold. You only pay taxes. That is wrong, I told this gentleman. If I mention his name, believe me, he's going to be embarrassed. And then he asked my driver, because I told my driver, wear nice suit as an executive, because I hired a limousine. And beside me, and he doesn't like someone who listening to our conversation. I told him he is my security guard. And he was scared of me. I said, you don't need to be scared. He's my security guard. And he saw me that my driver picked me up on the lobby. Limousine. I paid it. So this gentleman was very, very wise and very shrewd. Guys, you cannot be shrewd to this woman. Another guy from Iraq, he has a good business in Dubai. He doesn't want to shake my hand. And he was being referred to a Filipina. And I went to his office. And I opened my hand to shake. He doesn't want to shake his hand. And I told him, you know, shaking hand is a gesture of goodwill. He refused it. He doesn't respect a woman. I told him, well, if you don't respect the woman, me too, I don't respect you. 15 minutes, the meeting is finished. And it's all full of bullshit. He's Iraqi. And I told him, your attitude, it wouldn't work with Wilhelmina. I don't care what nationality you came from. I don't care. And he asked me, what nationality that I came from? Well, you don't need to ask what nationality. I am Australian. My passport is Australian. You don't need to ask where I came from. It's none of your business. Your business is you invite me, you want gold, but you cannot get the gold because you want the gold to come to your office. It wouldn't work. 15 minutes is over. Can you imagine that? So that's the reason why the joker broker is scared with Wilhelmina. You don't need to be scared with Wilhelmina. Be thankful because I'm going to be with you from the beginning to the end. But then go behind my back. There was a buyer, he go behind my back. That is why I sent him letter from my solicitor. He bullied me. If I mention his name, my gosh, he's gonna be embarrassed. I have all his picture and video. Guys, you must remember when I'm gonna be with you, every movement, I have a record of you. So that's the reason why you don't need to betray yourself and you don't need to betray me and you don't need to go behind my back. Because once I'm gonna be with you, every movement, I'm gonna have a documentation and also the seller. Yes, that's the reason why I have to arrive the day before you arrive. I have to arrive in advance in order to have a preparation so that if there is an issue, I could find alternative for you. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening. Guys, hurry, secure now because we are almost end of 2025. 49 days more to go. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. Come and talk to Wilhelmina. Don't be scared. I am here to assist you. Thank you.